Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make potato salad for weight loss. First, select the right potatoes. Opt for low-starch varieties such as red or new potatoes. These choices offer better glycemic control. Next, boil your potatoes until they are just tender, ensuring they are not overcooked to preserve their texture and nutrients. Finally, allow the potatoes to cool completely before you begin mixing, which prevents them from absorbing too much dressing. Now, let's talk about creating a lighter dressing. Instead of using traditional mayonnaise, consider replacing it with plain Greek yogurt or a light vinaigrette. This simple swap significantly reduces calories while often adding more protein. You can also boost the flavor profile by incorporating fresh herbs such as dill, chives, or parsley, which add zest without any extra fat. A base of 1 tablespoon of olive oil and 2 tablespoons of vinegar works wonderfully. To make your potato salad even more nutritious and filling, incorporate plenty of non-starchy vegetables. Think about adding crisp celery, colorful bell peppers, or refreshing cucumber. These additions provide essential vitamins and fiber. For an extra boost of satiety, include lean protein sources such as finely chopped hard-boiled eggs or shredded grilled chicken. Finally, enhance the overall taste with a blend of spices like paprika, garlic powder, and freshly ground black pepper. Finally, mindful serving is key to enjoying your healthy potato salad while supporting your weight loss goals. Aim for a modest portion, around 1 cup, to effectively manage your calorie intake. Remember, this delicious dish is best enjoyed as a flavorful side, rather than the main course. Any leftovers can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator, where they will remain fresh and tasty for up to 3 days, ready for your next healthy meal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.